Urea dosing module is a relatively simple device, but it must be very precise, extremely fast, and resistant to high temperatures. It also has to be durable. To meet these requirements, the proper mindset is needed. Our mindset of detailed checking is at the core of everything we do. One key aspect is to putting full effort into precision and accuracy, and the other is verifying results at every step. We monitor feedback in the smallest possible loops. The product you receive from us has been checked multiple times, both as an individual components and as a complete assembly. Quality saves environment.